quick, this is Ashley from the Loopy Lamb, and today I'm going to be doing a review of this yarn mini pack of hanks today that I got from We Crochet. It's called Stroll Tonal Mini Pack, and this is the colorway Sunset, and I can see the lights are really reflecting off this packaging, so let's take it out and get a better look at this yarn. All right, look at those beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, just love it. So one mini pack comes with these 5 mini hanks and for a total of 100 grams of yarn. So that's 462 yards total between the 5 of them. I did the math earlier. I think it works out to be about 92 yards per hank. And from left to right here, we have the colors Poppy Field, Heartfelt, Wine Tasting, Cordial, and Pansy. The fiber content for this yarn is 75% superwash merino wool and 25% nylon, and this is a fingering weight yarn. It is machine washable and dryable, so that is a huge plus in my book. So it's actually surprisingly easy to see the tonal variations in these yarns and just beautiful. So we've got various different shades of yellows and kind of like that yummy, yucky mustard color that I love. We've got reds and a little bit of a pink here. And these two have the boldest color changes or tonal variations. So we've got this light purple, something with a little darker that looks like a mix between this red and the light purple. And then this one, the Pansy, looks like maybe 2 or 3 different shades of the purple and is very, very pretty. Now this one, Cordial, is a lot more subtle. We've got like a purpley red color mixed in with black. So pretty, and I'm excited to see how this works up. I was actually surprised taking out of the bag how soft these hanks are. Like I just want to sit here and just squeeze them. They're so soft. And so let me see here. Looks like the hanks are just held together at the ends here, just like your normal hank, and I'll undo it here just so we can see the tonal variations opened up. So just really, really pretty, and I'm excited to see these worked up in a project. Now I will link to this in the description box below if you are interested in checking them out. On their website they have 9 different tonal packs of this yarn, and a lot of them are really, really pretty. Hard to choose a favorite, but I think my favorite, or like my top, if I had to choose, would be this Sunset pack, and there's another one called Moody Blues. Shocking, it's a blue tone that I'm picking as my favorites. So what I'll do is I'll put this on hold for a little bit. I'll go and do a swatch, and I'll come back and show you how these lovelies work up in a crochet swatch. So I'll be right back. All right, so I am back and we have our completed swatch. I chose to do mine in the color, I think this was the Pansy, and you can see the tonal variations and how they work up. Just so pretty. This is one of the colorways that had the boldest color variations in the little hank. And I really, really love how it worked out. And so as I normally do with all of my crochet swatches when I'm doing a yarn review, I do the 3 basic stitches. I do your single, half double, and then your double crochet. Just especially I like to see with these color changing yarns kind of how it affects where the colors change and where they sit with your stitches. So for this small section here, I think there's probably about 6 to 8 rows in here. I've got single crochet, and then in this section here for the same amount of rows, I've got half double, and then up here I've got 4 or 5 rows of the double crochet. Let me just pick this up. Now this swatch was done with a 4mm Furls Odyssey hook, and As you can see, we've got a little bit more spacing. I hope you can see it anyways. Let me stretch it. You can see that there's some spacing between the doubles, less in the half doubles, and then obviously we've got a solid fabric here in the singles with a 4mm hook. The yarn was lovely to work with, didn't have any issues with splitting, and very, very soft. Just absolutely loved working with it. So much so that I couldn't stop at just the swatch. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek of a design I started working on immediately finishing the swatch. So I was really inspired by the colors that came in the pack and how they transitioned even in the package from one color to the next. So I've created this mitten pattern, and I've started writing it up. I just need to do the thumb here, and I'll put it on so you can see, like, it's just the color variations are beautiful. There's not a ton of spacing between the stitches. It's just a nice lightweight fall mitten, and just kind of turn that over so you can see the nice color variations. And one of my favorite things was this section here, how we changed the colors from the red to this purpley color, whose name is escaping me at the moment, but it's the purple red mix, this one here, and because there's that red in the purple, it is a really nice fade and transition into that. And then we've got these purples that kind of tie into the cordial, and then again this they all tie into each other, and then into this last pansy here. So absolutely love this colorway, this pack. This yarn is absolutely delightful to work with, and I'm hoping that once I can get this done, I'll have hopefully a video for you if you would like to learn how to make a set of these mittens. And of course, I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have used this yarn before, or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you. And if you have used this yarn, if you did, what did you think? So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll hopefully have a pattern for this for you guys in a couple of weeks. So thanks so much again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. If you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. Thanks so much for watching. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.